all good. You can't sink it.
You might do that time you take.
Later on, when I come back, right?
Here we are, people trying out Mike Tracey's kayaks from Cumbrian Kayakers. Now we're heading from Ackergill to North Head on Sunday, Thursday. So Ken, check out the Genesis. How do you find it, Leanne? Nice. I thought you might. That's good. I was in all of them.
So which ones were you in?
Right, the one Kane's in, the Genesis.
Okay.
Right, the Sirocco.
Oh, was that the white one you were?
The white and red one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, the one Cars is in. The
Yeah.
You know, the Voyager, and the one Ian's in, the Voyager. That was I think the best one. Yeah. I was in the 10 you were in, and the 17.7 18. Mine's a 17.5. The 17.7. It was a nice boat as well. Not very nice tracking. For a what boat, Leanne?
For a separate reason, like you know, they're all different sizes, like 17.5.
Oh right, okay.
2,
Yeah. You could argue the short ones are maybe a bit more manoeuvrable.
Okay, well that's
you know, but it depends on the boat design. Because some, you know, some of them are just as fast as a longer, slightly longer one, depending on the hull design. You know, so it's very much one that you fit in with, you feel comfortable in. You know, good tracking. You find it's easy to turn and edge. And I think the Voyagers are the best, I would say, for edging, the most confident edge. And the chains are really good as well. But I find with the chain, when you're in more turbulent water, the chain comes into its own. You know, 'cause it's slimmer and it cuts through much easier. But I mean, they're all really good boats. But the chain, if you get a bit of wind, you just stick the skeg down. You know, a little bit.
Yeah.
And it easily compensates. Just put it down, try it just now. Just put it down and, you know.
Oh, so that I quite like. It's easy to store.
It is, it is. So Liam, what do you think of the Valley sort of modification of the pintail?
I love it. It's got no primary stability at all. It's fantastic. You can feel it interacting with the water.
Right. Good.
You've got a lot more feedback than I had doing other boats.
Good.
But yeah, the primary stability just isn't there. But that's fine, I'm not bothered.
Yeah. What about the secondary stability? Is it there?
No bother.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Right, can you do that again when I get you on video? Yeah. Very good, very good. So Brian, what do you think of your Scorpio then? Got St. Garnigo at 2 o'clock. And the Northside Lighthouse. Yeah. Looks like a Great Northern, possibly a black-throated diver or something. So I think we're going to go to the right, and we see it's starting to get a bit more swell here as we on this northeasterly wind, and we're heading towards North Head. So we're at Sandy Geo now. Stop our point before going down North Head. You can see a hole right through the cliff there. boundary wall. Everybody gets amazed at St. Gunnar Castle, how smooth the brickwork is against the base of the castle walls, how it just merges so nicely with the cliffs. Beautiful workmanship. Around the headland.
Absolutely beautiful going into them, it's lovely.
Is
Really
it?
nice.
Uh-huh.
Coming from behind, it's a bit odd because it surfs so much further higher back on the wave.
Right. Uh-huh.
Adjusting my body position and such will help, you know,
Uh-huh.
adjust. But that was quite, yeah, you're surfing right on top of the wave rather than in the middle or the bottom, you know.
Right. Uh-huh.
I think the back of the boat, because it's so lifelike, I think the first part of the wave cuts through it.
Yeah.
So I think back.
Huh. Right. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.